Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
A Handful of Rice author, Kamla Markande first published, 1966 genre, social realism, post-colonial literature setting, urban India, likely modelled on Madras, Chennai. Summary: A Handful of Rice follows Ravi, a young man from a poor, rural background who flees his village in search of a better life in the city. Instead of opportunity, he finds hunger, hardship, and hopelessness. Initially surviving on petty crime, Ravi's life takes a turn when he meets and marries Nalini, the daughter of Appu, a respectable tailor. He begins working in the family tailoring business, offering him temporary stability. However, Ravi's restlessness, ambition, and frustration with his limited social mobility lead him down a dark path. Despite being offered a legitimate means to live, he becomes entangled again in unethical decisions, driven by the economic and social pressures of urban life. The novel ends in ambiguity, but the overwhelming sense is that Ravi is trapped, caught between poverty and pride, ambition and reality, with the struggle for a handful of rice still defining his life. Thematic analysis 1. Poverty and survival. The title itself symbolizes the basic struggle for existence. Kamla Markande shows that even a handful of rice, a metaphor for daily sustenance, is not guaranteed for the urban poor. 2. Class struggle and social mobility. Ravi's desire to rise above his class reflects the aspirations of many marginalized Indians. But the novel shows how systemic barriers and internalized hopelessness sabotage these dreams. 3. Urban alienation. The city, instead of being a land of opportunity, becomes a mechanism of dehumanization. Ravi is alienated not only from others but also from himself, torn between desire and morality. 4. Traditional vs modern values. Markande critiques both traditional systems, like caste and class, and modern aspirations, like capitalism and consumerism, showing that neither offers an easy escape for someone like Ravi. 5. Individual responsibility vs social forces. Ravi's downfall is partly his own doing, but also a reflection of societal failure. The novel questions whether individuals can truly overcome structural inequality through willpower alone. Character sketch. Ravi complex or flawed. Ravi is deeply human, ambitious, emotional, impulsive, sometimes selfish. Everyman figure, he represents countless people uprooted by economic forces. Morally grey, not entirely villainous or heroic, Ravi's choices reflect the real moral dilemmas of poverty. Kamla Markande's style or voice realist or empathetic, she writes with precision and humanity, highlighting the daily struggles of ordinary people. Socially engaged, her fiction often critiques colonialism, economic injustice, and gender inequality. Blends Indian themes with English prose, though writing in English, her narratives are deeply rooted in Indian realities. Conclusion: A Handful of Rice by Kamla Markande is a powerful exploration of poverty, class, and the moral cost of ambition in post-independence India. Through Ravi's journey, the novel lays bare the harsh realities of urban survival and questions the viability of social mobility for the poor. Markande's writing remains relevant even today, offering a timeless meditation on the economic forces that shape human fate.